Haven't you heard of First Nolly TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First Nolly TV. Go tap, tap, tap.
Someone must have leaked the business out. And that is why all this is happening. The boss is no longer comfortable with this. With everything.
Killer, you have to do everything humanly possible to track those guys. Because we don't have time. Time is not on our side.
Johnson, what are you talking about? What made you think we can get those guys?
Whites, we can. All we need to do is to keep our ears on ground so we can get a better and a useful information fast.
Killer, I remember I warned boss. I told him to be careful, but he refused. I told him that those guys might be dangerous. Now look at the mess he put us into. Huh?
How can the boss run a deal with those little boys when it comes to big business like this?
Can you imagine?
Whites, Johnson, let's stop all these blames. Betrayed is part of the business. All we need to do is to join hands together and fight and get back what belongs to us. I mean, get back what belongs to us. Do I make myself clear? Whites, Johnson, one mind, fight and get back what belongs to us. Do I make myself clear? Let's make move.
Beloved brothers,
watch your back, I watch your back.
Duty time don't call. My GF Alaji don't put me on. And as it be like this now, Alaji they cap to me now say somebody like Lewis driving robbers for this time and in consignment 80 million and want the cap like this. So
Yeah.
80 Bali.
imagine Lewis. One can stand our name for this unit. On how it be like this now, I believe say 1 tree cannot make a forest. I make an anchor the ship so that we can reason together, way forward. So that we go see how we want to take dive Lewis now, bring the robbers and the consignment. Because Alaji saying me no go fit go back from this country without in gold. You no go see money, no go see gold, and it's not carried because now we now our nyash now in the open. No understand. So brother, cap me way forward.
Abosibojum. This one Abojum. No one I believe your weight. Tell me. They will not be choice man. How see don't reason and say nah 50-50 doing so. Make we not do finish. You can't cap. See we not play do tombo. Now first see first collect. First collect. You know the matter. 50-50.
Ekanka. Me I believe Alaji. Alaji no go fit fail me. Me I no go fit fail Alaji. Robbers no be our two affair. No get issue for robbers.
No be say you and I no go fit get issue for robbers so. Bunkery wey we dey do na dirty business, killing na dirty business. No be when we don go killing dirty minute deliver and go come dey tell us back when I see so. We no dey for that one o. Or we leave the matter, we go run our matter for pipeline as we dey sleep for pipeline. If there wetin I tell you, go meet that your Alhaji, tell am say we go deliver. There are times we don dey deliver, we don dey killing dirty for long, no be today. Killing na our duty. Pipeline we dey boss everywhere.
That as you drop this matter, maybe say it go be like that. Na 50-50. Me, I no dey for good job. We be say we no come back on shop. You get as it be.
Get finisher.
Yan
I believe you now. You dey finish it.
Okay.
But as it stands like this now, Alhaji no go fit betray. So wetin dey there be say I go put Alhaji on, mo go see Alhaji. So that may no be like say get as it be una go hear from the horse's mouth.
No be that kind thing, man. No be that kind thing. See nobody don't know say our way to the club for this community. You know some job dey find us. For the town, just discard waka for the city, go here say our name dey clap. See, based on who be here, no be choice man. Alhaji go come here, confront us. Go come for our barracks, and I'm go know say yes, no be choice man dey deal with that. Don't be me.
Whether I don't cap correct o, as e be like that, Alhaji go come here so I go know say no be choice business.
That's so.
You hear me?
I believe you.
No worry, I go put Alhaji on. I go come, I go lap these shots. You hear me?
No, I believe
we
you.
go reason together. Hey Kanka,
Senior boy.
nobody goes Lewis. Lewis na name wey just dey be making no waka for street without name. We will go straight Lewis up, ordain am here. Straight am up, major. Dey hear me?
I believe you.
Why? I no fit cap fire.
Now who be that Louis?
Nobody goes Lewis.
Na wait to read.
Who be that
We
Louis?
go straight am up.
Ajay!
Meanwhile,
Na wa for me o.
tell Alhaji, say man, if you go gree share the
Cartel no
money,
issue.
50-50.
Cartel no issue.
Submit Alhaji, then promise us Louis, na small way.
Pepper soup water don't enter my eye. Pepper soup water don't enter my eye. Ekomok.
Killer.
Worry.
Killer.
Now for where na for day with na two naked eyes, they for carry that goose. The diamond trace living now.
Killer. So the type bush now we do. We say do the business. If I know, okay, shots. Worry, fire. That open fire. That four two guys, they be three of them. So he say come and carry the money, say Zab. And the diamond, give it pursue. Not be seeing. So now we play.
You no go shut up. You no go shut up. You dey mad. You don't listen to yourself. You don't listen to yourself. That's enough. You mant. You there they look, they chase and they carry the thing move. Now what you want here? As it stands now, you ain't no say they carry the thing move enter. Are they asking them mad?
Wait. Killer. We pursue these people enter inside the back of that village. You no go understand. Wetin dey even vex me pass be say as 2-4. The other one wey we dey pursue carry that bag dey run like say na him get run.
Make I hear word. Make I for hear word. May I hear word? Now which man there for this life when they run past gun bullets? Eh? He say he run, he pursue am. They run past bullets. Listen. Now they go back to that community. Make sure say una go bring back that diamond and every goose when don't miss. Because as it stands now, gbege, I dey tell you say that diamond now dey cause gbege for town. See, e go swallow our head o. If you no bring am back, you dey hear me? So una go back to that community. Whether na see small children dey play o, una see them dey run o. Anywhere when they run enter, make sure say na find that diamond because that diamond go swallow our head. You dey hear me so? So right now, make na the march dey go back to that place. March dey go back.
I hear you, but wetin I hear wey I no understand.
Come on,
Don't cry for me.
it be like them. Come on, the match today. Something they worry you. Now yes, now they take your
Not be
word.
man. Today they carry the assignment. Come on, not be man. They call the young nonsense.
You dey hear me, Johnson? As it stands now, get ready because gbege don be you. Dem go find us come for that diamond. But make your that's high the ground.
I say, where is Louis? Where is my money? 80 million naira. You think I pick money? Where is Louis? What light a lie, I don't see Louis. Where is my money? Where is my money?
Arab man, calm down your mind. Dala Yankuri.
I'll kill all of you. I'll start with you, Yania. I kill you. I kill you. I kill you. I go back to my country.
Calm down.
Where is Louis?
Calm down.
I should calm down.
Calm down.
I should calm down.
Arab.
Calm down, mana.
Arab man, please calm down. I believe my boss is not going to run with your money. My boss will give you your money. Calm down now.
Your boss, I should calm down. But later, like what I will do to you people, you will not believe it. I'll kill all of you. Louis. It's all right. I know see Louis.
Arab man, I believe my boss is not going to run with your money.
I kill you. You allow this Alzheimer with you, bro. Mouth. I kill you. You can think mosquito. Ha! Who got this? Come on, make him disappear. Kill you. Who you go kill?
You know because I kill him, they use pay as well for this time.
Shanda Mugu.
Men are Sefine.
Shanda Mugu. I kill you. Where you want
If I'm go handle in matter.
Kill him. We are killing.
In matter, na mathematics.
Mosquito.
We go solve am. In matter, na mathematics. We go solve am. Let's push out.
See, Aboki.
Let's push out.
Brothers.
Watch my back, I watch your back.
Alaji with this. Alaji, this is my wood. Among the chosen ones, these are the dedicated ones I've been working with. Okay. So these are my sanitary officers that have been helping me to sanitize every ugliness. Brother, based on our last discussion, so I say make Alaji come, we could reason one-on-one way forward to make sure say we crumple that. Once you collect the robbers and the consignment. So Alaji, these are the family.
I want to thank you people very, very well. You have really tried for me, my friend, and every one of you. Wallahi Taala, you have tried. You see, I want to appreciate the effort of all of you here. But I want to say, I need my money. Please, wallahi Taala, I need my money. Anyhow you get to Louis and get my money.
No shaking. Thank God say you know our matter. No be today we start to run things for you. We never fail you. But I believe say my man go don juice as he be say na 50-50. We no want letter now. We don't deliver you now. You can't tell us 1 or 2. We no make sense. So thank God see they here and I make it hear them from us direct. 50-50 as he be.
I am pleading to you people to help me get this money. Wallahi, if I get the money, you people will be taken care of very, very well.
There will be no problem, Alhaji.
Well,
your money, your things wey dem collect go reach you, but what do you want na 50-50? Because why are they tell you we na killing be our duty? Pipeline with the boss, with the keep people, with the clean dirty. So if you say we go bring that thing give you, if you say you go play with us, what you go do? You know we believe am. Tomorrow now, you go know say you go carry horse, go back to your country. You know give us our money. That's why we tell you 50-50.
Well, I tell you, 50-50 I no good. Well, like 50-50, 80 million kena. 50-50 I no good.
They go.
50-50 I no good. But make you.
Some be 50-50 no good. Well, like 50-50 no good. Go now.
Nah, this man not that serious. About Monday go check with our fuel. I been at the day they run around.
The matter be say, una pity the man. He get as he be. But even fuck up, we know as to do.
Leave that kind of thing. I need them here now. I want for. You understand? I'm not behind the kuna. I need them here. Want for. Aboki, me elu me ala. Aboki. Obi nda ata mini. Obi na. Nge hunu ya na ogun on ebu hunu ahia. I mean na pota ya na higa hunu ye fepu ka agbese. Fiap anya ga hunu anya. Wanne akisa ekpekpere. Akisa ko genya anya.
Yo fuo. Ogenya akise. Awon ogenya akise ya ala.
Onya odonyo obodo asere. Alaji, please, I would not like you to disappoint us.
I will not disappoint you. Wallahi I will not disappoint you. I will not disappoint you.
Alaji, don't disappoint us.
Wallahi, I won't disappoint you.
Brother.
This one when we are white, tie. Come here, come tell us I won't disappoint. I won't disappoint. I won't disappoint.
See. You know why that man would speak like that? No, they speak. When that man get the money, I go no sense to be English pass us. Now you know,
you know, I think we are white and white.
Alhaji. Wallahi, I am no longer interested with this format. I want to quit and I want to go back to Niger.
See, Aliyu, the 50%, it is because they want 50 this way, 50% this way. That's 40 million.
You mean me come Nigeria to share money 40 with
me? Me no agree with them.
No.
Wait, me no agree with them. But you see, we cannot see Louis. Louis has run now. Louis is to her money.
Why you make such move without telling me?
Excuse me. I did not agree with them. Me, they talk, me no agree at all. Me no agree. But you see, the boys, they run away. Diamond is nowhere to be found. Our money also, it's nowhere. So the only reason we have now is to allow them to bring that money. When they bring the money, we accept 50-50. They bring the money, we strike. And we collect the money, we run out of this country.
Alhaji, you trusted Louis. What happened?
Louis worked for me over 4 times. 4 times, 4 good times. Louis delivered.
Alhaji, now we are trusting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Calm down. Look, these are the only people that can bring this money. We don't know them.
Alhaji,
Louis is running. Our diamond is not here. Our money cannot babu. So the only way we can get to this is these boys. By the time they bring the money, we strike them down, we slaughter them, we take the money, and we run to our country. That is it. That is what we want to do.
Alhaji, I want to leave this country right now. I need my money, Alhaji. I can't stay in this country, Nigeria, at all. I can't stay in this country.
As if you are saying, can't you hear me? I've been explaining this thing to you people, and am I happy?
We not sharing money with anybody.
I don't want anything like that.
Okay, calm down. You see the bargain. 50-50, they mentioned I did not agree. It is because if I say no, they will just stay down. But now these boys will go and help us to bring this money, Kenan. By the time they bring this money, we strike them down, we slaughter them, we take this money and we run out of Nigeria, Kenan.
Just you know what you doing now?
We plan as if we don't even know how to handle gun. They will not know that we can handle weapon, Kenan. But I know you in the desert, the way you used to carry your AK-47, even you. We will strike these boys, we will take one night till we're going to take them up their feet. Let them just bring this one. We don't know the direction. That is it.
Elijah, are you sure this strategy will work out?
It will work out. It will work. I did it in Costa Rica. I got my money.
We have a hit tonight to carry out.
What's the nature of it?
The Arab man. The Arab man thought he knows all, but the boss have order. We should waste him.
Killer, do you know that I've been expecting this assignment for a long time? Do you know why? The Arab man are beating more than he can chew. Even the Bible says there is no peace for the wicked. Arab man no get peace. Now what for you? We go run him now. We kill him, no be child.
Do you know what? Well, of which he knows me. I am killer. Killing is my hobby.
I know you.
And that's why they call me killer.
Guy, need to introduce yourself much.
Arab man, we go suck in blood.
I know you. Need to introduce yourself much.
White.
I be killer now. What for you?
Get ready to kill the Arab man.
Killer, are you sure it is possible?
Well, and very possible. See you guys later.
No one. White. My foot is with me.
Alhaji. The news is everywhere that some guy duped you of your money. How true is it?
It is very, very true. You are very, very correct. Louis, my money, my diamond, 80 million naira kena. Wallahi talaya the best.
80 million naira is a huge amount of money.
Very, very huge amount. Wallahi are the best. And if you look at my eyes, very, very well.
Alhaji.
Look at it.
There's nothing inside your eyes.
If you look at my eyes very, very well, you will see fire kena. Lie are the best.
I understand how you feel. I understand how you feel.
Louis, I no see Louis. My diamond, I no see diamond. My money pa, I no see my money. Wallahi talaya are the best.
I have an elder brother who works with these hard guys, these bad boys in the society. You know, these top guys are very rugged, they are very wicked. You know, they are into all these crimes and.
Your brother, you know Louis?
No, I don't know, but I've heard him mention that name before.
Are you very sure?
Yes, I'm not too sure.
You should be sure.
I'll just have to go and confirm from him. But I will find out from him.
You need to be sure.
Don't worry, I'll find out from him. He works with these hard guys, you know, these strong men.
He can help me recover my money, Kena.
That is what I will do. I will find out from him if he knows
You
Louis.
should know Louis.
I will find out.
You should know Louis.
If that is what. See,
Yes,
I will get.
let us toast to this. We need to toast to this.
Okay, no problem.
Because your brother will know Louis. If not, I don't base. I base if you look at my eyes, wallahi, it is fire. Oh.
It's okay. Alhaji, it's okay. It's okay.
Wallahi, the best.
I know you're so angry. It's okay. Okay, Alhaji. Please, just take it easy, okay? You know I've missed you. It's okay.
I know.
It's okay. Just take it.
I know.
Alhaji, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Alhaji.
Louis.
Alhaji, forget
my
about
money,
me.
Louis, my diamond.
You will recover your money. Forget about me. I'm here. Alhaji, see me now.
Well, I am seeing you.
You're not seeing me. Look at me, baby.
I'm here, I'm seeing you.
I'm here. Alhaji.
Let us go into my chamber.
Let's start from here.
Start from here,
Yes,
Kena.
start from.
Wallahi,
Alhaji, it's okay.
I'm the best.
I know.
This nigga dey here.
Why?
Killer, come. This nigga dey here.
Where's Louis? Louis has been running from me, Abi. I have come to his residence, pa. Go and call me Louis.
Louis is not here. Louis only come here to rest. If you want to see Louis, go to Louis' office and you will see him.
You lie. I always go to the office I will not see Louis. You tell me go to office, Louis will come to office. Call Louis for me, I want to see Louis.
Like I said, if you want to see Louis, go to his office. Because when you and Louis do business, I was not there. Me and my friend only stay here to rest and to get our joy and our peace. So don't come here to disturb us anymore.
Killer, I've been watching you. You talking too much. You say you saw me, Alhaji, and my brother like mathematics. Hope you know how to solve Fudamas. Because the next time we come here, I burn down this place. I will make sure I kill you and I kill this Inyarenya. I thought you... I'm not done. You calm down now. Louis will give you your money and your diamond.
You are very stupid. You have to provide everything necessary.
You can't come to me. Allow my people to finish. Go back there. Allow my people to finish.
Allow me to deal with this guy. Let me cut off his head.
Listen, it's okay. It's okay.
You think you can eat our money?
It's okay.
Alhaji,
Alhaji, every time you say what is okay, Alhaji?
Alhaji. This is not
my friend, are you okay? Alhaji, what is okay?
You are the one that is not okay. Everything. This is not how you do it in Costa Rica. Why are we taking it easy on these people? Why are we taking it easy? Alhaji, I'm talking to you.
Alhaji, want these people to
enough of this.
You talk to me again.
You will not let it happen. I'm better with this.
I didn't press me. I'll start that one.
Alhaji, I and you is talking. Leave the small boys to quarrel. Alhaji,
put up your head.
I will talk to Louis. Alhaji, Dala, Yankuri, Jide Anwayo, I will talk to my boss. He will bring back your consignment, your money, and your diamond. Dala Yankuri,
you better talk to your boss, Kena.
Dala Yankuri,
because I the best. And if you look at in my eyes very, very well, you will see fire, Kena.
I see.
Fire.
Fire,
at the best.
But you know what, like him.
Alhaji, I want my money.
The next time me return this place, I will make sure I kill this Inyarenya. I will kill you.
You will not do anything.
The ones I no kill, I will put them for my car and transport them to Niger.
No, killer. But these people hide the red. You need to call Oga.
Let me call the boss.
These people hide the red. This are done boss, so call Oga. But this Alhaji then get mine though.
Boss, it's Killer. Yes, the Arab man and his boys, the church rat, they came around and they are causing some kind of problems. Kasala for the hobby. Boss, anywhere where you stay, you need to come down. You need to come down, come settle this issue. Before this Arab man go come, they cause problem, they kill people for community. As I tell you, now blood they their eye. Now blood. Boss, you have to come down. Come settle this issue. All right, boss.
Igrube, the dance of a millipede does not embrace he who has seen the dance of a python. As well, a toad does not run in daytime for in vain. What do you seek for?
Wise one, I seek for more powers. Different power than the one you gave to myself and Mike, my friend.
Your reasons.
Wise one, I want to operate higher than you or anyone else. I want to be a vulture that devours human flesh. That's what makes me indestructible. That's why I'm here. Please.
Indestructible, you said?
Yes.
You will go. Bring eyes and eggs of vulture for more rituals.
Wise one, huh?
It is your task. You know where to get them. You don't need to ask me, yes.
Listen, Wise one. Is it what money can buy? Like, I have money. Any amount, please. Just mention it, any amount. I can get. Look, all I want is to be more dangerous. Memo Dogu, Memo Dike. more dangerous, more bloody, more powerful than the man I came here with. Look, wise one. The street is dark. I can't walk alone, except with someone like you. Can't you see it? Please, I'm so desperate.
Odogo Cable, you will go. Bring 1,551,000 naira. Yes.
Wise one, do you want it in cash or transfer?
You make it liquid because I don't go to bank.
Then you have it. You have it. All I want is to be stronger than the man I came here with. That's it.
Odogo Cable. Odogu! Hem!
Wise one,
have my blessings. May the gods also be with you as you go and come back. Hem! Odogu! You may go. Hem! Very soon you will smile. 1,551,000 that is coming.
Haven't you heard of First Nolly TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First Nolly TV. Don't touch that.